How to navigate to a date mode. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate to a date mode. To get started, let's open Bumble app. This is your home page. Here your date mode is disabled. To enable it, let's go to your profile icon. Click on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Now here you can see setting icon on top right corner. Tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can see date mode is turned off. So in order to navigate to a date mode, turn on by clicking it. So now choose one of it. If you want to date someone, then click on date. If you want to make BFF, then click on it. Now go back and click on diamond icon. Now as you can see other people profile, you have successfully navigated to a date mode. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.